Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I solved my 2x2 Rubik's Cube and my 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first I use the beginner's method for this one because I haven't really learned a lot of it yet, but I do not know a lot of tricks for the 3x3. I believe my fastest is about 25 seconds, I think. I don't know, but I do have a Rubik's Cube timer. Boom. Done. Now, here's how I do my 3x3. First, I always start with a right cross immediately once the timer starts. As fast as I can go. But I haven't been doing a lot of cubing for a while, so I'm kind of not too slow, but like pretty fast still. And then, wait a second. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. And there. And then I have a fish. Shoot. Boom. Done. I will eventually make videos how to solve like some cubes and all stuff. Like maybe next video, like we can do this one. But for this video, I think I could show you guys how to do this. So once it's scrambled, find any white piece that you want. Like let's say this one down here. And this one. And then see what color it is. Mine is blue and red. So then I would find a piece that is similar to that. So now let's do this white one. And then blue and orange. So now I can put it in place. But so like if it's like that, then I don't know how to really show this. Then you can yeah, okay. And then you can turn what the heck? I can't really show the camera, so maybe I can show like maybe 3x3. So I don't know if we'll be able to show how to do it on the camera. But yes, I am indeed good at solving Rubik's Cubes. I still remember the time when I first solved my first 3x3. I literally got so emotional. I don't know how to solve 4x4. I have one though. But I do have this. Kinda pretty good. It's just it's stuck a lot. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I was just showing how I solve my Rubik's Cubes. So see you guys.